Okay, so based on the feedback we've received from the PSAT 2017 fall feedback for 8th grade, I reviewed it and it looks as if we're lacking an analysis of informational text in both the science and history context. So I was going to share for Avid as well some of the things I do to help me make students aware of finding claims and the evidence, and then analyzing informational text. So looking at claim, we think about what is the author trying to persuade or make the audience feel, do, think, or believe. Also, they have to look at the prompts to see which words in the prompt clarify the claim. Then as far as the evidence is concerned, I always suggest that they think about the who, what, why, when, where, and how, and those really draw your attention to the main ideas. And then they have to draw conclusions as part of the analysis and prove, does the evidence and how does the evidence prove the claim. Since that's part of the standard, I created a little graphic organizer to help with research. So what happened, they cited there any quotes, statistics, data, and then I put in there the who, why, when, where. I have them write out just a brief author's claim, and then here's the analysis piece. This is where they make their inferences, why it's important. Also in English, we're learning about techniques and what they're using, so I'm having them point that out as well. But when you copy this and make your own, you can always delete that. How do you copy it? You go to File, Make a Copy, and then you can go ahead and change the title of it, and you can at this point also organize it into a folder and then press OK. You can include your graphic organizer in an assignment by pressing the plus button here in Google Classroom. You add an assignment, and then you add the document from your drive. So you click on the organizer, which I just made, and then instead of students can view, you actually change it to make a copy for each student.